Are you ready to transform the way you think about money? Imagine mastering your money mindset in just 7 simple steps. That can change not only your bank account, but your entire financial future. Having a healthy relationship with money is crucial for achieving financial stability and long-term success. Your money mindset plays a powerful role in shaping your financial decisions and habits. It's not just about earning more. Many of us grew up without proper guidance on money management, which often creates a negative money mindset that's tough to break. This mindset can quietly hold you back from achieving your biggest financial goals. That's why the very first step is awareness. Understanding your money mindset is the foundation for lasting change. Recognizing how your thoughts and emotions influence your spending and saving habits is the key to rewriting your financial story. When you master your money mindset, you gain more than just financial control. You gain peace of mind. You'll start making smarter financial choices. But here's the challenge. Fear of failure and limiting beliefs often creep in. You may feel like you read bad with numbers or believe you'll never save enough. These thoughts can become overwhelming, trapping you in a cycle of financial stress and self-doubt. Limiting beliefs can also prevent you from exploring opportunities. Maybe you feel stuck in a job with no growth or believe that starting your own business is impossible. These mental barriers are stronger than any external obstacle. Negative self-talk is another silent trap that sabotages your financial success. Phrases like, I'll never be able to afford that, or I daren't deserve financial success quietly erode your confidence. And the danger? These thoughts often become a self-fulfilling prophecy, making it harder to break free. Recognizing and challenging them is the only way to rebuild a stronger, healthier relationship with money. Here's the good news. You can change your money mindset. By adopting a positive and growth-oriented approach, you can overcome fear, silence limiting beliefs, and shut down negative self-talk once and for all. So let's dive into the 7 powerful steps to master your money mindset. Step 1 is to identify your money story. Looking at how your upbringing, culture, and experiences shaped your view of money. Step 2 is to assess your current financial reality. Track your income and expenses, build a clear budget, and truly understand where every dollar is going. Step 3 is about setting clear financial goals. Whether it's saving for a home, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund, clarity is power. Step 4 is to challenge your limiting beliefs. And more importantly, what would happen if I released them and embraced a new mindset? Step 5 is to develop a growth mindset. That means being open to learning, taking calculated risks, and exploring opportunities that move you forward. Step 6 is to build a strategic plan for your goals. Break them down into smaller, realistic steps with a timeline that keeps you on track. Step 7 is the action step. Consistency. Stick to your plan, avoid impulse spending, and make smart financial choices that align with your goals. Of all these, Step 4, challenging limiting beliefs, can create the most powerful transformation. Replacing old thought patterns with empowering beliefs allows you to take bold steps, seize opportunities, and finally take control of your financial destiny. Changing your money mindset doesn't mean you'll never face challenges. It means you'll handle them differently. Instead of panicking when an unexpected bill arrives, you'll stay calm, adjust your plan, and move forward with confidence. That shift in reaction is the real sign of financial growth. Another benefit of a strong money mindset is how it influences your relationships. Money is often one of the biggest sources of stress in families and friendships. By building healthier financial habits, you not only improve your own life, but also create harmony and trust in your personal relationships. A positive money mindset also opens the door to wealth-building opportunities. When you believe in your ability to succeed financially, you'll naturally start exploring investments, side hustles, or career advancements that once felt out of reach. Confidence in your financial journey attracts new possibilities. Remember, your money mindset is not fixed. It's like a muscle that grows stronger the more you train it. Each small step you take, from tracking expenses to challenging negative thoughts, builds momentum. Over time, these consistent actions create lasting financial freedom. By mastering your money mindset, you'll not only reduce financial stress, but also open the door to greater confidence, success, and freedom. In conclusion, building a strong money mindset isn't a quick fix, it's a journey. With patience, persistence, and these 7 steps, you can finally create a positive relationship with money and design the financial life you deserve. Don't forget to share your money mindset journey in the comments below. And if you'd like more practical tips, check out our next video. 5 simple ways to save money on a tight budget.